All right, so we decided to modernize our Land Cruiser a little bit, get it with the times, and so it used to have these hinges. I've never seen anything like this. It's basically like a spring-fed hinge of some kind, and that's what used to hold the hood in place, and then you used to have to lift the stick to put it on. So we went ahead and kind of modernized it. We installed some struts, and we're going to show you how to do that. Let's go. All right, so the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure you have all the parts that are supposed to come in the kit. That includes the struts, all the brackets, and all the hardware. What we did was use some bubble wrap to safely prevent the hood from sliding back and hitting the actual vehicle. Then go ahead and remove the bolts closest to the hinge. Now we're attaching the bracket on. This is where the strut will attach to at the bottom. We're removing the stock hinge now. And you can see how that hood dropped down. That's where the bubble wrap was for. Now we're attaching the top mounting bracket. Make sure you don't cross thread anything. Tighten everything up. This is how you pop the clip on these struts. Makes mounting them really easy. Now we're moving on to the other side, same process. That's it. Everything works. Catch you next time.